Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about method overloading. So what is method overloading? I will take an example. Suppose there is table 1, table 2 and table 3. Name of the worker is Shubham. Now manager will call this Shubham to bring a tea for this table. This is table number 1. This is table number 2. This is table number 3. Okay. So now table number 1 order tea. Now manager will call Shubham, bring a tea. So he will bring tea. Now table number 2 asks for biryani. Now manager will tell to bring a biryani for table 2 and then paneer. Now again manager will tell Shubham to bring a paneer for table number 3. Now we are not programmer. So we think that this Shubham is doing all the work, bringing tea, bringing biryani, and bringing paneer. So we think that it is very hectic for this Shubham to do all the work. Like he is the only worker doing all the works. But it is not like that. The manager will call the name as Shubham, but there is so many Shubham. Means the name of the worker are same, but the worker is not same, only the name is same. So different worker doing different works, only the name is same, but we are not programmer, so we think that, oh, only this Shubham is doing all the work, so such a hectic work. So this thinking is called virtual polymorphism. Virtual polymorphism means we are thinking that one worker doing all the work, but it is not like that. What is the meaning of polymorphism? Basically, polymorphism means one is to many. Means one is doing all the work. This is only the polymorphism. We will discuss this polymorphism later. But for now, you learn that it is one is to many means one worker doing all the work. So it is not real. Means it actually one worker is not doing all the work. That's why the name is virtual polymorphism. Okay, now we will see with the code. This package. So what is overloading? We have studied about constructor overloading. In the same class, same constructor name but different parameters. Same as method overloading. Same class, method inside the same class, same name but different parameter. Okay. So here we will take a class overload. Okay. Inside the class, same method name. So we will take a method name as int add. So here int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20, int c is equal to a plus b. Okay, this is zero parameterized method. In public int add, same method name int a comma int b. Now int c is equal to a plus b and return c. This is two parameterized. Here main method. So what is here? I will first class a method. I will call this and print it. Print this. I will give 10 and 20. So same, there is a three method. Add. This is zero parameterized. This is two parameterized, and this is three parameterized. Okay. So what is method overloading? Method inside same class, same name, same method name, but different parameter. This is only method overloading. Okay. So for finding the method overloading, we will see first of all number of parameters, data type of the parameter, order of data type in parameter. Okay. So method overloading is also called as virtual polymorphism. Why? Because anyone think that one method add only doing all the work, but it is not like that. Only the name is same, but there is a different add method doing different work. Okay. Now I will run. See, this is the output 30, 30 and 60. Hope you like the video. So please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.